Wow, well, would you look at that? That's a total of $31,032.33 just casually sitting in my online earnings account. And I can withdraw this money whenever I want, at any time to my bank account. The best part, all I had to do was get people to click on a special link of mine. Every time they clicked, I got paid $24.99. And here's the kicker, nobody has to buy anything from us through our link for us to get paid. So that means we still get paid regardless if anyone buys anything. All they have to do is click the link we show them and we get paid. And I know that $24.99 payments may seem small, but it quickly adds up into a decent amount of income, making us $500 to $1,000 per day without breaking a sweat. Now, would you like to see how it's done? If you answered yes, then you're going to love what we have for you today. You see, we've discovered how to tap into a massive pool of 3.86 billion visitors and turn them into endless wads of online cash. It's all possible thanks to our proprietary new app, ClickCash. ClickCash is our brainchild software that pays us $24.99 each time someone clicks on our link, and it drives traffic for us by tapping into 3.86 billion visitors. With this many visitors, the possibilities are endless. Here's how easy it is to start getting paid. Step 1. Activate. Turn on the no-selling monetization inside of ClickCash. Takes just 1 to 2 minutes. Step 2. Link up. Press one button to auto-drop your link to 3.86 billion buyers. As easy as dialing a phone number. And Step 3. Profit. Sit back and relax. Every time someone clicks on our links, we get paid $24.99 without any selling. And as I was saying earlier, we still get paid even if they don't buy anything. It's all due to the no-selling monetization built into ClickCash. Once we've activated ClickCash, the profits never stop rolling in. We can set it up, forget about it, and still continue receiving profits. This is something that anyone can do. Just follow the 3 simple steps and you're all set. Now you might be wondering, how much will ClickCash cost me? Well, before we went public, we originally charged $1,997 for ClickCash to our high-level members. And although that is a bit high, plenty of people paid us. Why? Because it pays for itself. But we want to reward action takers, so the early adopters of ClickCash will get a massive discount. Here's the deal. If you act right now, you can get ClickCash at the early bird price, the same as a cheap t-shirt. But do be warned, do not delay your decision and think about it, because this discount is only available to the early bird action takers. After that, it's going to sell for $1,997. Wish you bought Bitcoin before the boom and made millions of dollars? Or maybe you wish you bought tech stocks before the pandemic happened. Listen, we all have painful regrets and I don't want this to be another one for you. So get a copy of ClickCash at the lowest price. After all, what's the risk? With our 30-day money-back guarantee, you'll receive every penny back if you felt like we wasted your time. There's no way for you to lose. The only way you miss out is by not getting a copy of ClickCash while it's still dirt cheap. So what are you waiting for? Take that mini leap of faith, click the button below right now to get a copy of ClickCash. We'll see you on the inside.